In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox installer not working or cannot continue installation because Roblox player is already running. The first step is to uninstall Roblox player from your PC. To do this, search Control Panel in your search bar and then select Program and Features. In here, you need to find Roblox player and right-click to uninstall this one. And once we're done uninstalling our Roblox, let's go ahead and download it to our trusted website. So from your Google Chrome, just go ahead and type in Roblox download and download Roblox to the official website. Moving on to our second solution, you need to run the Roblox installer twice. Just to be clear, you need to run the installer an additional time after you run it the first time. We need to press Windows plus R key or type run in the search bar and press enter. In here, type %local app data %, then press enter again. In here, we need to open the Roblox folder. And then open the versions folder, which is within the Roblox folder. Open the folders within versions until you see Roblox Player Launcher, not Roblox Installer. And then click Run Roblox Player Launcher. So these are the steps to run the Roblox installer. And then you should now be able to install and play Roblox without any error. In addition to this, if you're still getting this error, Roblox player is already running even though you've uninstalled it, you can try restarting your computer in safe mode and then uninstalling Roblox player again. So if you're still having a problem, you can contact Roblox support for help. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.